how to buy Junior or Donald Trump Junior token. So this token came under the symbol of Junior. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. As you can see, this tweet from the John Trump verified account. As you can see, this token, it's available, as you can see, in index screener. If you go to this tweet, you will see the chart on the screener. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see, this token, it's available on the screen. It's created 4 hours ago, and the increase of that token, it's almost 100% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's my investment in a safe place. To be able to buy this token, but before that, this token, it's trending number 3 on the screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open your fund to mine it for that. Now click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. Now click on your token. After that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. Select the provider, for example, Jupiter, but make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues, just go back to this page with the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy Junior token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.